let's take a little walk around this 1990 SS454 pickup we just got in this morning. Beautiful truck, complete repaint. It's got a set of 20-inch American racing wheels, radial tires. It's got a great stance to it. Motor's been all done. Got a 454 in it. Got a Lunati camshaft in it. Big tube headers, custom exhaust. Some other modifications we'll list online. Got a great sound to it. Truck looks killer. New decals. Wheels look really nice on it. It sounds awesome. This thing runs. All new brakes. It's got drilled slotted rotors in the front, drum in the rear. New shocks, Bilstein shocks on it. Truck straight as an arrow. Got a 2-inch cowl induction hood on it. Trucks don't last. We get them, they sell instantly. So if you're in the market, make sure you get on the phone and give us a call. Truck mat in it, it's all paint underneath. This has the reverse sliding window in it. Interior looks all factory. They did redo the door panels in it. Jams have all been done. Looks like the rubber seals have been replaced. Updated the dash. There's a new dash in it. AM/FM CD player in it now. Some new speakers. Power windows, locks. All your factory power options. Air conditioning does work. Jams are all done. Got a good look to it. See the rotors, brakes there all replaced. Take a look under the hood. Here. All the gauges seem to work, the lights, the radio.